Hey guys, and welcome back to Meshing About. Yeah, so I've done again just a little bit of work on this. I changed the I actually went in and did some modeling on the the light pipe. So the light pipe there looks better, heaps better than what I had done. I done a little bit of fix up here, but that needs working. Yeah. But anyway, what am I gonna do today? We might actually do the light part, because I gotta keep this one short, unfortunately, because I've got things to do. Where are they? The lights. Sweet. Whoa. Yeah, yeah, nothing has really happened lately. Don't duplicate. That's not what I want. Delete. Like I said, just been working on this. Oh, actually, there's a website I go on regularly. Well, not regularly, but because it's been in maintenance for a bit, but it's back up, and that's gameartisans.org, I think it is, or .com. And they do mini art challenges and things like that. And their latest one is comic book hero monster trucks. So you might see me work on that on here, just because that sounds amazing. But yeah, so far happy how this is going. I did a render of the marine, just cranked everything's divisions up to a high point, and then just took a screen capture. I didn't actually render it out, took a screen cap, and yeah, it's looking good with a bit of shading and lighting and stuff. So yeah, I think this will turn out well. What else happened? Oh yeah, there was supposed to be some big huge Blizzard announcement for a new project they're working on, and everyone was like, it'll just be the Blizzard version of Dota 2, so Blizzard All Stars, I think it's called. But no, it was some really poor, shitty trading card game that one, they already have a trading card game, but I guess this one is digital, and yeah, it was just very disappointing to know that their big upcoming news was actually just I think looks like it's going to be like an Android or a Mac app, or although they did have someone playing with it in one of the interviews with Blizzard employees with like a Wacom tablet, which I'm using to do the drawing in this. So yeah, it might come to PC. I mean, I don't see why it couldn't, because it's just, if you've played Magic the Gathering on PC, I would assume that it would be very similar to that. But whatever. I guess Blizzard's just trying to move into a handheld slash phone market, you know, like iPhone stuff, and app market, I guess. But it is disappointing when they're like, this is going to be a huge announcement, and it turns out to be something that a lot of people wouldn't consider huge, because no one really cares about a trading card game. Well, I don't know, maybe you do, but and I guess there's nothing, I'm not going to hold anything against you if card games are your thing. I like card games, but I wouldn't call that a big announcement. That's something you could bring out at E3, but I don't know. It was overall, it was just disappointing that it wasn't anything to do with Blizzard All-Stars, which is what people probably were expecting. So yeah, not a fan of having announcements made out to be huge things when they're actually not. And a lot of companies are doing that at the moment. I think Blizzard did it again. Didn't they do it recently with Diablo 3? They're like, oh, big announcement at, it's like Gamescom or something in the US anyway. And it turned out that they were just announcing that they would be bringing Diablo to PS3, and it's like, dude, that's not what anyone wanted at all. I think Square Enix have done that too, when they were like, oh, big new Final Fantasy announcement, and it ended up being just like Final Fantasy 13 3 or something like that. So yeah, a lot of companies seem to be doing that now, and I don't see how it benefits them, because people just get annoyed. But I don't know, I don't really understand. There must be a reason why they do it, and maybe they do think it's important, but a lot of people would just disagree. Yeah, that's my rant on things that have happened recently in the games world, I guess. This looks good. Let's see what that. Yeah, I like that. It's, cool. Anyway, I'm going to leave that there. It's a little bit shorter, just under 10 minutes. But hopefully you've enjoyed this, and hopefully the start of your weekend is going well. And I'll catch you again next time. Alright, cheers guys.